This is just a quick update. I've got the 18G winch all rebuilt, new bearings, new seals. I'm making new angles that will fit for my truck. The old ones were 3x3, these are going to be 4x3 with some cutouts. This is the back of the winch. PTO is right there. PTO shaft. That's a engagement and disengagement handle I made. If you can see it, spring loaded. Cables coming over the top of the drum. This was designed for under the drum for the brakes, so I'll have to drill some new holes to make it the correct braking that it needs to be. This is going to be its new home. Just got done tapering that front frame rail extension, how I'm going to mount it. Obviously it's going to be shorter than that. I'll end up cutting it somewhere in here. Same on the other side. Bent my new frame rail pieces on the inside for the extensions. Same on this side. You still got to taper this one. You can see the taper a little better there. Where the weld stops, that's about where the end of the frame's going to be. I'm rushing through because I got a lot to do today, so I didn't want to take too long to stop, but I don't think I've made a video in a while on it that I can remember, but just showing it quick. So the grill, bumper, I gotta flip that over. That's the other angle, I'm painting it. So that's where I'm at today. Okay.